Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson of fractions for grade 7. So here we're multiplying fractions by whole numbers. So I have my first example here, which is 1 over 8 times 16. The other one is 1 over 3 times 3. The other one is 1 over 4 times 16. The other one is 1 over 4 times 64. So the first one is 1 over 8 times 16 over 1. Since it's a whole number, so you replace a 1 here. And then you say 16 times 1, that's 16 over 8 times 1, that's 8. And then 8 into 16, that's 2. So your answer is 2. The next one is 1 over 3 times 3, then is 1 over 3 times 3 over 3. 1 times 3, that's 3. 3 times 3, that's 9. And then you simplify to the lowest term. 3 to the lowest term, that's 1 over 3. You divide by 3. 3 into 3, that's 1. 3 into 9, that's 3. And then, sorry. So here we say 1 over 3 times 3 over 1. And then 1 times 3, that's 3. 3 times 1, that's 3. So your answer is 1. 3 into 3, that's 1. 1 over 4 times 16 over 1. 1 times 16, that's 16. 4 times 1, that's 4. 4 into 16, that's 4. Your answer is 4. And then 1 over 4 times 64 is equal to 1 over 4 times 64 over 1, which is 64 over 4. That's 1 into 6, that's 1, 2 here. 4 into 24, that's 6. So your answer is 16. So let's do another examples. Four times 1 over 4, and then 16 times 1 over 8, and then 20 times 1 over 5, and then 100 times 1 over 10. So here 4 over 1 times 1 over 4. 4 times 1, that's 4 over 4 times 1, that's 4. Our answer is 1. And then 16 over 1 times 1 over 8. 16 times 1, that's 16 over 1 times 8, that's 8. 8 into 16 is equals to 2. Your answer is 2. Then 20 times 1 over 5. 20 over 1 times 1 over 5. Then 20 times 1, that's 20. 1 times 5, that's 5. 5 into 20, that's 4. And then 100 times 1 over 10. 100 times 1 over 10 is equals to 100 over 1 times 1 over 10. And then 100 times 1, that's 100 over 10 times 1, that's 10. 10 into 100, that's 10. And your answer is 10. The next one is 81 times 1 over 9. And then 54 times 1 over 8. And then 6 times 1 over 3. 81 times 1 over 9 is equals to 81 times over 1 times 1 over 9. 81 over 9 is equal to 9. And then 54 times 1 over 8. 54 over 1 times 1 over 8 is equals to 54 times 1, that's 54. 1 times 8, that's 8. 54 into 8 into 54, that's 7. And then 6 over 1 times 1 over 3. 6 times 1, that's 6. 1 times 3, that's 3 over 3. 3 into 6, that's 2. Your answer is 2. So this is how you do, this is how you multiply fractions by whole numbers. And always, sorry, can I repeat that one? Yes, that part.
What's the mistake that you made?
The last part here. So this is how you multiply whole numbers and a fraction. So this is for our lesson today, multiplication of whole numbers by fraction. Until we meet again in our next lesson. Bye for now.